There's a quiet battle happening in the markets right now. On one side, AI trading bots, processing millions of data points every second. On the other, human traders, trusting instinct, experience, and gut feeling. So, who's actually winning? Let's break down what's really happening in this new era of trading, the rise of automation, the strengths of human intuition, and how the smartest traders are combining both to stay ahead. This is Fintech Bot Focused, where we discuss, dissect, and implement all things automated trading. If you're into AI, bots, and fintech strategy, make sure to subscribe, because this conversation is the future of trading. The rise of AI trading systems. AI trading systems have exploded over the past few years, and for good reason. They're fast, data-driven, and completely emotionless. They scan price patterns, volatility, sentiment, even social chatter in real time. They don't hesitate. They don't second-guess. They execute. The biggest advantage? Consistency. A bot never panics during a sell-off or gets greedy after a big win. It just follows the plan. That's why hedge funds and institutions trust AI-driven algorithms to make split-second decisions, not human emotions. When milliseconds matter, discipline and data always win. The strengths of human traders. But let's not count humans out just yet, because we still have something AI can't replicate: context and intuition. Humans understand the why behind the price action. You can connect dots that data can't, like how a Federal Reserve speech, a breaking geopolitical headline, or even public sentiment might shift the entire market narrative. Where bots see patterns, humans see purpose. And when markets get unpredictable, that's where your intuition still gives you an edge. The future isn't AI versus humans, it's AI plus humans. The truth: it's not a competition anymore, it's a collaboration. The traders getting ahead today aren't choosing between man or machine, they're combining both. Imagine this: the AI bot handles scanning, execution, and data crunching. The human trader interprets context, emotion, and timing. That hybrid approach, AI speed meets human sense, is how traders are navigating modern markets successfully. Real-world examples. We're already seeing this everywhere. Institutional desks using AI to filter opportunities, with portfolio managers approving the final moves. Independent traders running bots through 3 commas, Crypto Hopper, or TradingView to catch entries while stepping in manually when volatility hits hard. The winning strategy isn't automation alone, it's partnership. Bots for precision, humans for perspective. What human traders can learn from bots. If there's one thing every trader should take from AI systems, it's discipline. Bots don't. Revenge trade. Double down emotionally. Deviate from their rules. They just execute the plan. If you can combine that same emotional control with your human edge, logic, adaptability, and judgment, you'll outperform both the bots and the traders who rely only on emotion. Final thoughts. AI isn't replacing human traders, it's reshaping how we trade. The future belongs to those who can balance automation with intuition, use bots for speed, structure, and consistency, but trust your instincts for the things data can't quantify: emotion, risk, and timing. Question for you. Do you think AI will ever fully replace human traders, or will human intuition always have the final word? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear where you stand, and if this helped you see the bigger picture, hit like and subscribe to Fintech Bot Focused, where Marston Bakker bonds, den Streisen Staber, so mo wen boys kun bon, we dan, renowned by we explore the tools, AI, and strategies defining the next generation of traders.